In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn on SMS notifications for messages on Facebook. First of all, launch open Facebook. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So in order to turn on the SMS notification for messages, what you have to do is simply tap on the menu icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to access the menu. Now what you have to do is go to settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see settings and privacy options over here. Scroll down, you'll be able to find this section for preferences. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for notifications. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to manage the notification settings over here. So if you would like to turn on SMS notification for messages, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is simply scroll down. Now find this option for messaging and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to access the notification settings for messages. So if you want to turn on the SMS notification, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is find this option for SMS under the section for where you receive these notifications. So what you have to do is make sure this button is toggled on. Now after you do that, you'll be able to receive the SMS notification for messages. So that is how you turn on SMS notifications for messages on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.